In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom breakout rooms. Breakout rooms let you split a large meeting into smaller groups for discussions, activities, or focus sessions, then bring everyone back together. Here's exactly how to set them up quickly and confidently. When you're in a Zoom meeting as the host or co-host, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the screen. If you don't immediately see breakout rooms, click the More button on the right side of the toolbar to reveal extra controls. That More menu holds features that may be hidden when your window is small, so expanding it ensures you can reach the settings you need. From that menu, click Breakout Rooms. This opens the Breakout Rooms setup window, where you'll create rooms and decide how people are placed into them. Next, choose how participants will be assigned, automatically or manually. Automatic assignment is the fastest option. Zoom will evenly distribute participants across the number of rooms you specify. It's great for quick pair and share moments, or when you don't need to curate groups. Manual assignment gives you full control. You can place specific people together based on roles, topics, or experience levels. If your agenda depends on particular combinations, manual is the way to go. Now start adding a room. Use the controls in the Setup window to create the number of rooms you want. A helpful rule of thumb is to keep groups small enough that everyone can speak within the time you've planned. If you're not sure, start with fewer rooms and add more as needed. You can always adjust before moving forward. With the rooms created, assign participants. If you selected Automatic, confirm the number of rooms and Zoom handles the distribution. If you selected Manual, select each participant's name and place them into a room. Take a moment to balance the head count so no one room is overloaded. Clear labeling in your own notes can help you move people quickly and avoid confusion. Once everything looks good in the assignment list, you're ready to begin your activity. That's all there is to it. By clicking More, choosing Breakout Rooms, deciding on automatic or manual assignment, adding the right number of rooms, and assigning participants thoughtfully, you'll run smooth, focused, small group sessions. With a little practice, this setup will become second nature, and your meetings will feel more organized, collaborative, and efficient.